This right here might be one of the cleanest apartments I've been into in a long time. From finishing, the space, the vibe, everything here feels premium. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Prima Hinegabi. If this is your first time, I would appreciate you subscribe, like the video, leave a comment and share to someone also. Let's walk in and see what the 13-court apartment has in offer for us. Let's do this. So now I know you are itching to see what they have inside the room, so am I. So let's get in and see what these apartments on the unit as well has got to offer for you. Oh, hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Thank you so much. I learned you have one of the cleanest apartments and units inside.
Yes. So you're welcome to 13th Court.
13th Court.
13th Court, yes. Okay. And this is one of our 3-bedroom units apartments.
Oh, I see.
Yes. So I'll take you through.
Sure.
Sure. So this is the whole space. And as you can see, we have wide windows over here. And one thing about this space that I love is the view. You should see it when it's sunset. It's so beautiful and very spacious, like you can see.
I could tell. It looks, the views are also vivid.
And it's also an open kitchen concept.
Wow.
So there are people that would also want maybe a closed kitchen. You can also work on that for them. But for now, it's an open kitchen concept.
So assuming someone comes here doesn't prefer this type of the kitchen,
yes, we can actually do something about it. And we are an interior design company, so when you put us to work, we can get it done for you.
Amazing.
Yes, so this is the cabinets, and as you can see, these are all quality stuff. We also have a storeroom over here, extra storeroom for the kitchen.
Right.
Yes.
So not only are they giving you a kitchen, you've got storeroom as
storeroom
well.
over here.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
13
So now let's check in the rooms. The master bedroom will be the last place we check.
Why so?
Okay, so this is one of the bedrooms.
Oh.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yes. And then the washroom is over here. So there's actually a door that leads to the hall. Just in case someone comes to visit, they don't have to necessarily come to the room. You can just access the washroom.
I see.
Yes. So I think we can pass through here. Yes.
It's easier that way.
Yeah. And then this is another room. Think about staying here. I would prefer this room. I have an idea.
Okay, I'm here to see the other rooms as well. So you are making this as your preference. Why so?
I have ideas, and as a lady like that space, I can only imagine what I can do here if this was my space. Yeah.
I see. So it also has a washroom.
Yes, a washroom over here.
Okay.
Yeah, if you'd like to have a look.
Sure. Oh.
Yeah.
It's also spacious. Amazing.
Yeah.
You've really got quality stuff over here.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the second room.
This is the second bedroom.
Okay.
And then to the master bedroom.
Oh, the one you said you're going to show us last.
Yes. So as you're waking up in the morning, and then you see the view.
It's incredible.
It's
I'm one person who fascinates views. And this should definitely be my room if I should come here to purchase. And I'm sure my people are also making their preferences.
Definitely, it should.
Wow.
It has a beautiful view from here. Yeah, so. And it also comes with a walk-in closet.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I see. So everything is fixed in here.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, walk-in closet. And then the washroom too is over here.
Wow.
So very spacious.
It is. Now imagine waking up and having breakfast in a kitchen with these interior designs and quality stuff. Just see how lovely that is going to be. But I'm sure my viewers, subscribers are all itching to know the price of such a property. How much is this going to cost them? Should they try to incur this property?
Okay, so a 3-bedroom apartment is going for 970,000 Ghana cedis.
970.
1,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, I see.
And then the 2-bedroom is going for 920,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, okay. That is, we are yet to see that
We are yet
one.
to see
right?
the 2-bedroom.
So 970,000 Ghana
Yes.
cedis for all these.
For everything in here,
Whoa.
for your peace of mind.
That means it's going to be theirs forever, or how's the plan?
So with the payment plan,
I'm actually referring to how long is the person going to have access or to this property?
well, till there's a lease of 99 years, and after, as the owner of this home, you work on it, and then, yeah.
Wow,
Yes.
I see. So 970,000, that's like $88,000.
Yeah.
That's very affordable.
Very affordable.
I should be getting one very soon. So how is the payment plan, should someone be ready to
Okay.
get
So
one?
with the payment plan, we have the outright payment,
Okay.
and then we have the 50% payment, and we have a period of 6 months to pay the
Okay.
rest.
I see.
Yes, and we also have mortgages where you go to the bank. We are currently working with Republic Bank.
Okay.
Yes, but you can go to your bank as well and then talk to them, and then on your behalf, they would help you sort everything out. And then we have what we call the trade-offs. That is
what's with
if
that?
you have a property somewhere and you'd like to trade it with
I
a unit
see.
over here. After the evaluation, if you have to add up, then we can.
Wow, it looks
Discuss
you
over
really have flexible plans over here.
Very flexible for everyone.
Guys, what are you waiting for? I'm definitely coming for one, but you should know that this isn't the only rooms they've got here. They also have 2 bedrooms units over there, and we're going to have a look at that one also to also see how this. I'm sure you're making your preferences. I'm already having mine, so right after this one, I'm definitely coming for one of the plans. So are you. This is the PG lifestyle. Let's see what the 2-bedroom apartment also has in offer for us. So Debbie, I think we've seen what the room has got in offer for us. So what other amenities is someone likely to have should they opt for either of the units here inside the 13 court apartment?
Okay, so there's going to be 24-hour water supply,
Oh,
electricity supply, and also a 24/7 CCTV surveillance like over here.
wow. So
Yes,
security is
it's
also
going to-
assured.
Very much assured over
24/7.
here.
I see.
Yes. You don't have a problem when it comes to your children being safe and all that, or you, an individual. We have it all.
Amazing. That should
Yes.
tell you 13 courts has got you covered with
Yes.
everything.
So I'd like to talk about the space we have over here.
Oh, that's also part of yours.
Yes, so
I see.
we are going to start with the next 8 units
Okay.
over there. It's a 16 unit gated community, and this is the first phase, so it's the 8.
Oh,
And then
I get
another
it.
8 is going to be right behind it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So that is also going to be like the 3-bedroom, 2-bedroom.
Yes, so we are thinking it's going to be just 3 bedrooms.
Oh, why so?
It's going to be 3 bedrooms. That
Okay.
is the decision. And also, if a client wants an off-plan
Okay.
something for them, we can also sort that out with them. Once you reach out to us, we can help you settle that.
So the flexibility actually isn't limited to the rooms. You've also got
Exactly.
wow,
To your preference.
amazing. I'm just speechless. That's amazing. So let's see what the 2-bedroom also has in offer for us.
Okay.
Right. But I think even before we enter the 2-bedroom, you mentioned the name is 13th court, right?
Yes,
I think
13th.
earlier I nearly said 13th court. So is there any rationale behind 13th court apartment?
Okay, so it was actually named after Nanajman Pempe the first,
Oh,
the
okay.
13th occupant of the Golden Stool.
Ah,
Yes, this is where his descendants, when they came from Seychelles, they were given. So this
oh, okay.
place was named after his legacy.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
So it's
So you are
given
going to be part of
modern
history.
vibes, it's given history and everything.
Yes,
Wow, I am definitely coming here because I'm such a culture lover. So
That
yeah,
is good.
we are in here at a 2-bedroom apartment.
So this is the 2-bedroom. The whole, as you can see, very spacious.
It looks, this space is bigger than the other one. Is it? Am I getting it right? Or
Yeah.
is it the same?
Well, technically, it's supposed to be the same.
Okay,
So,
I see. All right, so show us around. Let's see
Okay,
what
sure.
this one has to us.
so I'll take you to the kitchen area. This
Okay.
space is also an open kitchen concept. Yes. And
I see.
yes. And then there's a storeroom, just like
Oh, this one too.
yes,
Wow.
has the storeroom over here.
Amazing. Great.
And then there's another space just in case you want to get a space for laundry or something. There's an extra space for you
Oh, okay.
over here.
I see. So you are giving us a storeroom, just a small place for
Yes.
laundry and other stuff.
It
Wow.
depends on what you want to do with the space. Also. And then another bedroom.
Okay.
Yes.
I
And that's
see.
the bathroom over there.
Oh. Amazing. Wow. Very spacious too.
So now to the last room,
Okay.
the master suite.
Oh.
Yes. This is it.
This one has a huge washroom. I haven't even entered, but I could see.
Well,
Wow.
I think all the master bedrooms
They
have
do.
that's
Okay.
all spacious, very
Wow.
spacious.
Amazing. Okay. But why did you give us a small room for laundry or whatever it is I want to use it for? And you didn't give us for the 3-bedroom. Is it fair?
Well, you see, it's not fair, but we'll say it's all part of the ideas that we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure they are definitely making their preferences, their choice. Someone may say that since the 2-bedroom has a small room, they're probably going for that. Someone also say this is 3-bedroom. I'm sure they are definitely making their choices. But if someone is watching us at the moment and is interested in having a unit here inside the 13th court, they should reach out to you. How should they get access into this place? Be it
Okay.
contact or any other place you can also find the 13 court apartment.
Okay, so you can reach us on 020 986 1380 or 0558 354 378.
Okay, so you heard right, and we will definitely provide the numbers on the screen and whatever it is information you need to know about the 13 court in the description box also. This is a PG Life, so I'm sure you've been enlightened more about the apartments inside 13 court and definitely making your preferences over here as well. You didn't mention your name to my people.
I'm Deborah.
Deborah.
Yes.
Deborah, so what is Deborah's position or portfolio inside 13 court?
Okay, so basically I'm a salesperson and I also handle our social media handles.
Oh,
So you
okay.
can search us on UB Cliftons on TikTok, on our website to www.ubcliftons.com.
Amazing. Right. So we still provide those information in the description box. I am Prima Mega with this, of course, is a PG lifestyle. Remember, life is meant to be lived fully. If it makes you happy, go for it. Until the next luxury tour estate. Bye.